Now, 2 people die by suicide every day in Scotland, and charities are calling for people to have more conversations on the topic. On World Suicide Prevention Day, Scottish Action for Mental Health are raising awareness and highlighting the support available. We spoke to an Aberdeenshire farmer who tried to take his own life 2 years ago. He's encouraging anyone who's struggling to open up about their problems. Here's Brian Griechen.
Declan has been struggling with his mental health since he was a teenager, and 2 years ago he attempted to take his own life.
I had a couple of mates take their own life, and it just got to the point, you know, I was probably only getting maybe an hour or 2 sleep a night, which, you know, obviously isn't sustainable. You know, nobody can carry on like that.
Working as a farmer, he says it can be both a stressful and isolating job at times. It was only when he began speaking out that everything got better.
I think people think they're going to get judged. You know, men especially are brought up to be that tough guy, to be that person that, you know, is rock solid. But everyone's got their problems.
2 people die by suicide every day in Scotland. Suicide prevention charities are calling for more people to seek help and not suffer in silence.
We believe this is urgent. We believe more can be done. And we also need to all work hard, including through government and public health, to reduce the stigma associated with suicide. And just by using the word suicide, we believe it's easier to have conversations.
Long working hours, isolation and a lack of social contact are among the factors impacting the agriculture industry. Now there's an increased focus on suicide prevention in farming as charities see a surge in its counselling services.
We've trained 700 people working in the front line with farmers who are out in Scotland's agricultural community now and are fully trained on mental health first aid. We're doing really good work with Papyrus, with young farmers, training them in suicide prevention courses. And we've also got our Keep Talking campaign, which is about encouraging people to remember to make time to pick up the phone and reach out and connect.
The Scottish Government said they're committed to reducing the number of suicide deaths in the country.
We recognise that we need to tackle inequalities, the social determinants of poor mental health, and you'll see a lot of work going on across government to do that. We also recognise that we need to invest in our communities to make sure that they are supportive, to tackle issues like loneliness.
For Duncan, he says opening up was the best thing he ever done. He's encouraging anyone else who may be struggling with their mental health to reach out and ask for help. Gráinne Graham, STB News.
If you've been affected by the issues in Gráinne's report, support is available through the Samaritans.